Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the photos you'll place into the layout. Pick images with similar exposure and the same aspect ratio so they align cleanly. Once selected, open Instagram or a dedicated collage app and choose the post type: single, carousel, or multi-swipe grid. Make sure you've set your canvas to the correct size, like 1080 x 1080 for a square. Now import your first images into the Layout tool so you can begin arranging them visually. Next, you'll place and refine each photo in the chosen layout. Drag images into slots and rely on snap or grid guides to keep edges aligned. This prevents awkward gaps. Once positioned, pinch to scale and rotate subtly so subjects sit correctly. Maintain consistent margins like 8px for a uniform feel. After composition, make matching edits: exposure, white balance, and one shared filter to ensure your set reads as a cohesive post. Save drafts as you progress to. Finally, export your finished layout at full resolution using JPEG or PNG with high quality so Instagram doesn't compress details excessively. If you're posting a sliced grid, export each slice in order and upload them as separate images so they display correctly on your profile. When posting, add captions and tags, then preview before sharing. If the layout looks off, don't panic. Reopen the project, enable guides, correct the slice dimensions, and re-export. That troubleshooting usually fixes alignment and crop issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.